Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mendaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to insert the degree symbol on Windows 11 or Windows 10. As Windows user, you may have noticed that many symbols that the user may need are not on the keyboard. One such symbol is the degree symbol. Many engineers or educators might need the degree symbol at various point in time. Today, I will show you how to use it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan, and then dito sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung character map. Alright, so perfect, ito siya. Click mo yung open. And then ito yung character map mga kaibigan dito sa ating Windows 11 or Windows 10. Makikita mo dito lahat ng mga symbols, numbers, and letters. Kung paano ba gamitin itong degree symbol na to, ayan. So dito lang sa ating notepad, so open natin yan, and then type ka lang dito na any numbers combination, so halimbawa 90, alright? So back tayo dito sa character map, and then click mo lang itong degree symbol, ayan, and then click mo yung select, and then click mo lang tong copy, and then back tayo dito sa notepad, and then paste lang natin yung, alright, so nandito na siya. So makikita mo dito na nagamit na natin yung degree symbol. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-insert yung degree symbols on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.